Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Shopify Admin API scopes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize with the Shopify Admin API, first, log into your Shopify partner account. Next, create a new app in the Shopify partners dashboard. Select the store where you want to install your app. In the app settings, find the section labeled API credentials. Here, you'll see a button to generate your API credentials. Make sure to enable the necessary API scopes for your app. Scopes define the level of access your app will have to the store's data. Once you have selected the required scopes, save your changes. Now, proceed to the app URL settings. Enter the URL where your app is hosted. This URL will receive requests from Shopify. After saving, go to the install link provided for your app. Click on the link to initiate the installation process. You'll be redirected to a Shopify authorization screen. This screen will display the scopes you requested. If everything looks correct, click on the Install App button. After successful installation, Shopify will redirect you to your specified URL. This URL will contain an authorization code in the query string. Capture this authorization code for the next step. You will now use this code to request an access token. Make a post request to the Shopify API token endpoint. Include your app's API key, secret, and the authorization code. If the request is successful, Shopify will return an access token. Keep this access token secure, as it allows API access. You can now use this token to make requests to the Shopify Admin API. Always check the permissions associated with your token. This ensures you have the necessary access for your API calls. Following these steps will help you successfully authorize your app with the Shopify Admin API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.